In the market for a 2005 Subaru Impreza.
This vehicle has all the features you could dream of, with an efficient 4-cylinder engine.
Optimise your fuel economy with this vehicle.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: a CD player, central locking, climate control, cruise control, power windows, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes.
The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase.
Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.